if people want to know, how do you compare to, we can say, well, here's what our users say.
So we had to make a choice of how, because it's taken us several months to really, convert over. Laura is running both systems every day, and that's like that's a lot of work.
That's a lot of work. It's one of those things that I want to make sure that we're helping you out. It's really what it comes down to. We want to make sure that this is functioning for you and you're seeing benefit from it. And if you're not, then we've failed. But
well, I got to tell you, Mark, I mean, we've come a long way just in the last 2 months of enhancements in the system that I think are awesome. I think we're at a point that I said, like, Laura's using both systems, but once the inbox is complete for email and we have a way to track those, the Twilio's all set and running. We updated all of our property information, but at the end of the day, I mean, as soon as we get that inbox done, we're gonna just stop using the other system completely.
I just have to get the things from there to here.